Yizumi, as global machine manufacturer involving various molding fields, not only sets 3 domestic manufacturing bases like Rongwei Factory, Wusha Factory, and Wujiang Factory, but also builds overseas bases in North America, India, and Germany. With more than 40 agents, Yizumi's business is extended to over 70 countries and regions to provide better machines and service for global customers. In 2019 and 2020, Yizumi has been awarded as the top 3 enterprises of China plastic injection molding machine industry. Current machine series covering 2 platen injection molding machine, electric injection molding machine, multi-component injection molding machine, high-end general injection molding machine, and various special injection molding machine is up to 31. Further, Yizumi have obtained more than 124 technical patents. Over the past years, there have been more than 48,000 Yizumi injection molding machines operating in the world. In 2019, the global sales of nearly 6,000 injection molding machines exceeded 1.4 billion CNY with year-on-year increase of 7.3%, maintaining a good growth trend. Yizumi actively prepares for technological upgrades and boosts future growth with innovative mechanisms to develop together with customers. Meanwhile, Yizumi creates innovative solutions that are cost-effective, sustainable, and of high quality. Modular design, modular multi-level production planning, and assembly line enable diversified manufacturing for large-scale production, satisfying customers' demand for product quality and customization and speeding up product delivery. Yizumi is committed to building an integrated ecosystem for advanced molding and providing customers with machine-based turnkey solutions.